So first to begin, some of the ingredients you're gonna need is some blue curacao. You're gonna wanna make sure it's non-alcoholic. You're gonna need some pineapple juice, some fresh limes. So I went ahead and I already juiced some of it out. And a pineapple slice to go ahead and garnish your drink. So let's get started. First and foremost, I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna grab my shaker and I'm going to grab my jigger. So the jigger is what you use to measure the amount of ounces that you're pouring into your cup. Mine is 2 ounces on the long side, 1 ounce on the shorter side. So I'm just gonna go ahead and alternate these as I need them for our measurements. So you're going to first need an ounce of curacao. Go ahead. There we go. I'm gonna drop it in my drink. 3 ounces of pineapple juice. So as I said before, this side's 2 ounces. You go ahead and fill this side up, drop it in. I'm gonna use my other side. Drop that in. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add in a squeeze of lime. Wanna make sure you don't get any seeds in there. It's kind of squirting everywhere. You gotta make sure you don't make a mess here. Put that in there. And you're gonna go ahead and shake this up very well. Top it off. If you don't have a shaker at home, you can go ahead and just use 2 different cups that are different sizes and fit in each other. That achieves the same result. Once that's completed, you're gonna grab a strainer. If you don't have a strainer at home, you can go ahead and use your regular spaghetti strainer. And go to your cup, pour it in. No worries if it doesn't make it all the way to the top of the glass. What you can do is go ahead and add a little bit more ice on top for aesthetic reasons. And then I'm gonna go ahead and garnish with my pineapple. There we go. Emily, you wanna try it?
Oh, I'm running over for this. I do.
Let me know what you think.
Wow, it's beautiful. It tastes delicious too. I'll keep this one. Oh yeah, no, I have to give it to you to try too. I love it, Nefty. It's so good. It's
fantastic.
So good. Yeah, it's
yeah.
really good. I love it.
Hope you guys enjoy.